What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. I'm sick, y'all. Like, y'all look at me. Y'all not always touch my eyebrows when I get on my head. I don't know why, but I just do. Okay, so for today's video, I'm doing the 3D spider on my eye, y'all. So I seen this on Aaliyah J. I think that's her name. I forgot her name. But I seen it on her page, and it was really interesting. But I'm going to be doing that. Long story short, yes, this matter of fact, no, that's not. I was about to say this is my first time doing makeup on my face of a character. No, it's not. I did it plenty of times, y'all. Like, I really like drawing my face, honestly. Like little slices, but my skin is clearing. Y'all, I've been drinking tea every day. Like, I feel like I'm on the TV talks. Like, gosh. But yeah. I'm about to put foundation on my face. This is NC47. That's the color. It don't even look like I'm putting makeup on my face. Like, I really don't even need makeup on my face. But I'm going to use it so that it'll look right. I'm not going to put as much makeup though. I'll probably put more shadow than foundation. I don't really put that much. Or like, put that much. And I haven't had makeup on my face in a minute. I really don't know what I want to be for Halloween this year. I think I'm gonna just be. I really don't know yet. Or I might be Chucky. I don't know. I really don't know, y'all. Last year I was. I don't want to say her name wrong. Haley Quinn, one of those. I was her last year. This year, I'm not sure what I really want to be. Honestly. I do want to be a character though. Well, somebody. I want to be somebody. Okay, y'all. So basically, I put my foundation on. I still look the same. Dang, I don't know. I know. I might be used. Let me see. I think I'm gonna do. Y'all, so I just got a text message. I'm trying to figure out if I should. I think I'm gonna do the spider on this side only because I don't know how to do everything. I'm used to doing everything sometimes on this side. So I'm gonna do it on this side this time. The spider. But y'all know I love spiders. I'm not even scared of spiders. Like, alright, so I'm gonna just start the lines out, the legs out, basically. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna use this to outline it and then go back in with a liner. I'm just use this to outline it. Y'all might can't see, but I can see it. I'm not gonna do no hard lines yet, cause there's no point. I'm just outlining it. Y'all look like somebody stole me, y'all. Like, it really do. Look like somebody stole me in my face. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, I tried, y'all, to do the 3D spider. I think it look alright, but you know, I'm trying to make it look like I think I did okay for the first time. It looked like a scary spider though. Y'all, I think I did good now. I think. But matter of fact, I did good for the first time. I did good. Y'all know, when I first seen this, I was like, oh yeah. She did that, y'all. Oh, she did that. When I seen her do her video, I was so amazed, like, honestly. Put some more makeup on my face. My makeup came off. Y'all, I think I already like this. And I still don't know what I want to be following though. Oh, that's cute. Oh, this like lipstick. Oh yeah, pretty. Oh, I'm over here playing. I'm over here playing dress up. Y'all, I did it. I did it. I did it. Did it. My 3D spider look cute. But yeah, y'all. Thumbs up, thumbs down. You know how to sound. Like, subscribe, comment, and yeah.